Our final example for this section is to work the other way around. So we're going to take a regular rectangular equation, one that you're used to seeing, and we're going to make it into a parametric system of equations with your x equals equation and your y equals equation. So I wrote down the steps for that. So first it says to solve the parameter for x. So your parameter is your t. We're going to substitute that into your rectangular equation, and then that'll give you your x equals equation and your y equals equation. So here we have y equals 4x minus 3, which you know is an equation of a line. So then we'll be able to test it on our calculator to see if it's correct. So we're going to do step 1, solve your parameter for x. So you're going to say x is equal to 2 minus t. So we already have our first parametric equation. And we're going to take that and plug it into our y equals equation. So now you have y equals 4 times 2 minus t minus 3. You're just going to distribute and combine your like terms. So your y is going to be negative 4t plus 5. So our system will say x equals negative t plus 2, and our y is negative 4t plus 5. So let's go ahead and check that on our calculator by typing in our parametric and see if it's a line of 4x minus 3. So here's our y equals negative t plus 2, negative 4t plus 5, and you graph it. So you want to check, does it cross the negative 3 on the y-axis? So let me just zoom in a little bit so you could see it. So it does, right? And if you trace it, you could also see that it'll cross at the negative 3 or close to it. And the same as looking at our table right here. So at time 2, after 2 seconds or 2 minutes, whatever the label is, it'll be at 0, negative 3. And it does have a positive slope. So you know you're correct. So I want you to try y equals 3x squared plus 1 given the parameter is 1 plus x. And I already gave you the answer there, what your parametric equations would be. X equals t minus 1 and y equals 3t squared minus 6t plus 4. But I want you to just make sure that you know how to work it out. And then you'll be able to do the Schoology assessment, your last one, example number 3.